soup. I'm like the loop, I'm out of ways. Oh, stay out the way.
Oh man, it's happening.
It's happening.
It's happening. We got some more stuff on that side.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this.
It's too hot in Arkansas, guys. Way too hot. Look at Levi in action.
Low power.
Oh no!
Flip the breaker. It had to.
Hi, Eclipse. How are you, baby? Hi. Got the corn ready.
And then it might be
That's the good part.
I know.
Just season it up.
Yeah.
See, it's on there. It's ready.
Dang, okay.
Hey, do you love cheesy eggs? Because
I love cheesy eggs.
they're mine. Let's get one of the
here you
star
go. Oh,
plates.
star plates? Okay.
Which one? Get silver. You get
Gotta
me,
open them.
You get me.
Gotta open it up. Look at them.
Hey,
Yummy.
Everything is yummy. It is.
Look at her go. Now run.
Go. Go, go, go.
There you go.
Ready?
Look at you.
Ready? Set. No, still hold on. Hold on.
Can you do squats? Okay.
Kind of hard.
All right, guys. We're heading to the lake right now. Got Serenity right here. And Addie. Say hi.
Hi.
We got our water guns. Our Stanley. What else we got?
We got.
that?
And I got my floaty so I can.
Oh, yeah. We need to blow those up, too. Let's get it. How are you?
Good. I'm trying to get over there.
Okay, okay.
Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh,
Yeah?
You die.
check just to say hello. We are currently at the lake and it is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and see this view real quick. It's crazy. We have none of those back there, but this is gorgeous. And my dad's gonna be collecting some rocks, so we're gonna add that to our Warren Ranch. Hi guys, I got my crew right here. We got who?
Serenity.
And who? Adeline. And look at this beautiful view in the back. We just got done swimming and it is about to start raining, so we gotta get out of here.
This is my drink.
Yeah? How did you guys like the water?
And this is not my drink.
Oh, okay. We're drinking from the water gun. Very nice. How'd you guys like the water out there, though?
Oh, it was delicious.
What about
not delicious.
Delicious. You drinking the water out there?
No.
Oh man. And her brother? Oh. I hope you guys can hear me. It's very windy. Oh my gosh. All right. So her brother, we found a catfish, and he started playing with it. He's crazy.
It's crazy.
Crazy. We're about to head back.
He kissed it.
Oh, he kissed it. Is he hoping it turns into a beautiful princess?
No.
No? No? All right. We're going to head back and get some watermelon, guys. Goodbye. Florida. What you got, Dad? That's a huge one. G found a Florida rock. We're looking for rocks for our place. For our flower bed, there's so many. We got this. Oh, that's so pretty over there.
A rock while we're walking around if you like.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if we were being picky or.
Yeah, I mean, one that just appeals to you.
Okay.
One you think will look good or we can make a design with or
Nice,
stand
okay.
up for a centipede, whatever.
Okay.
I got one that's a little flat. I got a couple that's like bricks, like rectangles.
Look at this tree. Looks funny.
Go over there, but
I should have worn my boots. Oh.
imagine when the water is fucking rippling down through here.
The water goes through these too? Wow. Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that. Oh wow. We need that one. That's 2 hands, people. No, let's go.
It's massive.
Can G and I get it?
It's massive.
Definitely not. I think
No.
Look, try it. I think it's way heavier than it looks.
Okay. I don't even want it. I already know.
I can't even move it. Like,
Okay.
Out here getting river rocks in Arkansas. Take back to Florida. Oh man, look at that one.
Squat.
Yeah.
Overhead press. Overhead press. That's heavy.
Hey G, I got a good one back here.
Oh,
Look at that thing, man.
that's a good one.
That's coming to
Hurry,
Florida.
G, hurry. All right, I'm gonna go. You can
Yeah.
commentary.
Corinne bringing the rocks out the riverbed. Total body workout.
Oh yeah.
Get G to come back here and grab hold of this one for me. You got to get this one to the truck, G. Look how long it is.
I don't know if this is legal.
Legal? Hell yeah, it's legal. It's his property. Check it
This-
out. That's a nice one.
Looks like Tennessee.
Yep. We got Florida and we got Tennessee. Can you handle it? It's not as heavy as that other one.
Conventional.
Yeah. Yeah, little baby. Getting us some rocks.
My only thing is I'm not trying not to trip.
Yeah, definitely don't do that. It's a hard landing.
Oh yeah. At least they aren't sharp rocks though. But that's still hurt.
I abandoned his ship on that other rock. I found a longer one.
Found another one?
Yeah, grab this. Ow, shit. Grab this one.
Yeah. Grab it.
Yeah, look at that. Nice. Nice rectangle.
Overhead purse.
Yeah.
Overhead purse. I gotta find my friend around.
I'm stuck.
Hold on. I look someplace over here.
You might have to jump up there, Corinne.
Need help. Help.
Drop it in. Here, get your camera. I'm gonna get this big one.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that one and that one right there. Them two are monsters.
Let's get them. Oh. Gotta get my friend a rock, but I don't know which ones I should get. I feel like this one looks cool. Got the ridges.
Ford truck. Probably ain't used to all this.
Oh. Doing good. Yeah, I think she'll like this one. I'm gonna put it right there. Oop, that was loud. So crazy, guys. This is all would be covered in water. Ooh. Crazy. And these rocks are huge. Right. Oh, right. We got a whole collection. Oh, there was a bug in one of those.
It's like ridged.
I like that. You know what's crazy? That's probably from the water.
Yeah.
That's crazy. It's so cool, all like the little ridges of them. This one's really cool. Wow. That's so cool. Alright, we're not done.
I say we all found one more.
Oh, this is where there's a lot of butterflies.
Yeah.
Do you see that butterfly flying around you?
Oh, is that what it was? I thought it was
Oh,
I thought it was like a horsefly smack.
no, there's so many, there's an area where there's so many butterflies. Oh, this one. Ah! There's a spider. Oh, I can't. I'm terrified of spiders. Oh, I like these ones.
You gotta find the unique ones.
But this is an elite one. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, this is perfect. I'll give my friend this one. Oh, wait, do I have pockets? I do, okay. Stuff it in my pocket. What about this red one?
Whatever you come up with.
I love the colored ones. The colored ones are gorgeous. Oh, I hope that's not electric.
Yeah.
Hey, that bitch is bad. That's a heart.
Yeah.
You might have to have it painted up, put Ray and Angelica.
What about our names?
That's a love heart.
Oh, it is?
The heart.
Aww. Okay, yeah.
Take a picture with my phone. Well, when I get back to the truck.
Hold on. I'll take a photo of it on my camera. This one looks like sponges.
Found a couple
Isn't that funny?
States. We found the heart.
Oh, this one's heavy. That one got little sponges in them. This one looks like a seashell.
This bitch got color. Holy shit, it's like red.
There's a big rock right here.
Tractor for that big shit.
What's that noise?
Check this one out. Throw it to you. It's red.
Oh, don't throw it, don't throw it. Okay.
It's all red.
This one's, that's like a square.
Look at it. This one's like a cube.
Yeah, like a brick. Definitely makes it.
All right, I got my rock.
I'm gonna find another one. Hold on. Actually, wait, this one's colorful.
I know.
Yeah, I like them real red ones. Yeah.
I had a red one I like, but I lost it.
What about the one up?
Almost there, guys. I just figured this would be a cool shot. See me struggling. Rock hunting was a success. And we each found a love rock. A love.
That one actually big. Ours put G8.
Guys, doesn't it look like
That one actually looks exactly like a heart.
okay.
We all have. Well, mine is kind of the heart.
Aww. It works, G. Like he said, the heart, that it's the thought that counts.
We all have a rock. Dang, these rocks are weighing down the truck.
Yeah.
Are they really?
They're heavy.
Heavy.
Yeah, smile. Okay. Okay. G, you want a photo with your rock?
Okay, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your phone?
Oh no, just take it on his and he'll send it to me. Okay, how did you do?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's smart. Wait, I'm gonna do that.
1, 2, 3.
Aw. Love heart.
But these. Where'd you put yours? Right here?
Yeah.
Wait, I want to see one. Aw, send it to me.
Yeah, send those.
Even though I look cray.
It does what it took 96 hours to get and 2 trucks and 5 rental cars. Florida. Yeah.
When you ready?
Oh! Oh, wow! Oh!
Double trouble.
Right!
Not that, but we are.
Well, I'm spinning!
All right, Dad, what are we up to right now?
Fixing to get set up to light the midnight sky up.
Are we using these boards for all the fireworks?
Huh? We'll be alright.
It's about to go down. Boom. Securing all of them. It's about to go down, guys. Fireworks show's about to happen. Levi, we ready?
I'm ready.
Dad, we ready?
Ready.
All right.
It's all ready to go and everything.
Yeah?
Right on.
Right on, come on.
And whatever y'all need, y'all just holler, dude.
Got
I'll just
some
bring
water
you if
just
you
in
want that
case.
shit.
Gotta stay safe.
Woo! America! See, I like it.
I wanted to show this off real quick. I don't know who it is, but they have a whole podcast set up. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's right there.
Wow. Awesome.
Let's go!
Levi, look over there.
I know, I see it blew up right there.
I know!
Fire in the hole.
Back up!
Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
Hey, that was cool! Woo!
Woo!
The goddamn thing!
Hi, Uncle David.
How you doing? It's not Uncle David tonight. It's Fire Marshal Bill.
Oh, okay, okay. You liking everything?
Let me show you something.
Oh, okay, okay. Hey guys, we're out here. We're doing some fireworks. Kind of like it's been going good, but my dad is worrying me because he stands so close next to the fireworks that goes off, and I'm like, Dad, your hearing's already bad. It doesn't need to get any worse, so hopefully he'll listen. But he's just a crazy, crazy man, so I don't know if it's done or not, but we'll see.
What we got? What we got?
All right, how's your ears?
My ears?
Yeah,
They're good.
they're okay. I was telling them you were standing so close to the fireworks. I got scared for you.
Oh no, just another day in the life.
I was like, you just are a crazy man. Your hearing's already going out. What the
Iron
heck?
head.
You did very good though, you and Ian. What?
So nobody lost no fingers or toes. Everybody still got their eyes.
Yep, only a few malfunctioned, but it wasn't too crazy, huh?
I think all we had was some excited kids.
Some excited kids for sure.
they enjoyed
We
it.
had two different shows going on. We had the fireworks that my dad was doing. I don't know what they were doing over there, but there was some more fireworks.
Kitty ones.
The kitty ones. The kitty ones. Then we got these people up here. They got the good view for sure. Up on the camper.
Yes, sir.
Got a lighter, Ray?
We're gonna go make these kids day with some s'mores. Sure, you can close your eyes. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Where's G? Come on, G. Look what the heck he has. He has s'mores.
We're gonna give it.
Are we ready?
We're gonna give it hell. We're gonna
Can I show you my new nails?
Oh, yes.
Look, I can scratch.
Oh, I love it. Love it.
I can scratch
Yeah.
you tonight.
Okay,
Give you a
okay.
back massage.
this one.
It's nice and toasty.
Buy this one like perfectly toasted.
Yeah. Let me see yours.
Oh my goodness.
Let me see yours.
I didn't make mine yet.
Not yet? Okay.
But I'm starting off with a tiny little marshmallow. Mwah.
Okay. Oh, you can't even
See your sister?
Yeah.
Yep.
We've said this multiple times, girl. Oops, sorry. Oh. Eclipse. Hi, baby. Hi. Goodbye, Addie.
Dude, this thing is huge. Bucky's merch is crazy.
What?
Bucky's merch is crazy.
I know. What the heck? Kind of cute. I like it. I just want to record a little bit.
I mean, it works. Look at that.
Order 908, ready for pickup, 908.
The hot sauces.
Must be some good house.
Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my